LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through, drink it up and
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Brandy Gordon.
feeling loose. If I want it, then I have it. Got an ice wrist, causing damage, just like I planned it. I'll be damn rich.
Brandy is an Instagram model, YouTuber, and social media sensation. She's widely known for her breathtaking looks and amazing body.
You just gotta fuck, I could be your man, and paying for your tan, and I'm your biggest fan, and you said this your jam, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller.
Brandy was born on February 16, 1998, in the United States. She's 25 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Aquarius.
I'ma hit it in the back if she let me. And take your time, baby, getting ready. I want you looking fine or looking sexy. Yeah, I be turning up. Got no idea.
She is about 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighs around 55 kilograms.
Said she couldn't touch now. All she wants to do is kiss and hug. I could go all day. I'ma do my thing. I'ma stay ballin'. Like it's my job.
Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 37 inches.
Turn it to my day. Oh, she love me. Sipping bubbly, champagne, cocaine, kiss and hug me. It ain't nothing, dropping money. Okay, I'll take.
Brandy loves sharing a glimpse into her life through vlogs, fashion hauls, and more on her YouTube channel.
I'm living like white, like I'm Walter. She always call me, I never call her. Oh yeah, I'm living this life like a baller.
So, what are your thoughts on Brandy? Isn't she absolutely gorgeous?
You'll hear me through your stereo. Yeah, while I'm looking for my
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
get at me. Ooh, now she's texting me. Yeah, she's testing me. I just let it be. Yeah.